Welcome to Transwest Truck Trailer RV. My name is Lance here in Belton, Missouri. Today I want to talk to you about this 2019 Airstream. This is not your grandparents' Airstream. This thing's got so much technology built into it, it's incredible. But let's do a quick walk around. As you all may know, Airstream has got such a great name out there. This is all aluminum skin. This has got the aviation aluminum grade aluminum. You've got your riveted walls here. And I just like the way that these awnings are done. Just an absolutely beautiful look. You got your frameless windows here alongside the coach. Now, this is going to be a 50 amp service. Airstream does come with the two air conditioners on top, but it also is loaded with solar. So you're going to have two solar panels up there. I even like how they did these little fixtures here. You've got your power hookups, but I just love the, it's not just a piece of plastic. Everything has a high-end finish in the Airstream. Just absolutely gorgeous. And then this is gonna have a backup camera as well, so you can see what's going on behind you. And I like the fact they even put a little rear awning here. Nice little areas, little cubbies here for storage. You also have another storage here where you can get your sewer hose, you can store that. Oop. Now, as we're coming along the side here, you're going to see that they've got multiple windows. You've got some up here, you got some skylights, which is going to add some really nice light into the coach for all you folks who like to have it lit up. This is one great way to do it. Now, as we get ready to come into the coach, I do like how low this first step is. Very nice and easy to get into the coach. Now, this handle here will actually light up at night too. And just a lot of nice features. So as we get ready to go into this coach, Airstream has what's called smart technology. So a lot of the different controls, like the lights, the power blinds, it's gonna have power night and day shades. You can control all from your phone. All right, guys, that's a quick tour for the outside, but let's go see what we got going on the inside. All right, guys, well, welcome to the inside of this beautiful 2019 Airstream. It's going to be a 33 FB model, so what that's going to give you is two twin beds up here in the front. So this is where the paying customer is going to be. It's an absolutely beautiful setup. Now, what I do like is that you do have windows all the way around. You've got the day and night shades all the way around, and as you notice, as Katie panned around there, you got that accent lighting up there in the cabinets. Now, both of these twin beds are going to have power headrest. So as you'll notice, we can lower that down all by the push of a button. So absolutely gorgeous. It's got some nice closet storage up here. And it's got a hanging rod, so you can remove these shelves if you need to get some things to hang in there. Now, on the other side of the room here, we have all of our smart technology. You've got sleep mode, so if you want all the lights to turn off at once, you can push a button and it just shuts everything down for the night. You've got your nice radio system. And then behind it, you've got a nice closet. And they even got a little bit of cedar back there for the closet. All right. Well, coming into the rest of the coach here, you're going to see that we have a really nice dinette here on the left. It's going to be a power dinette, so we can actually convert that into a bed. And then you've got a beautiful couch set up with, now those will have power recliners integrated into the couch as well. So by the push of a button, you do have a nice footrest with some really nice overhead storage. Then across from the couch, you've got your entertainment theater system. Now, what's really nice about that is you do have an electronic white screen that will drop out of the cabinet, because what you're going to have over here is a projection TV. So beautiful projection TV. You do have some USB ports, charging stations, your DVD player, all can be controlled, and it'll drop that beautiful screen out of the cabinets. Now, speaking of cabinets, I want to show you real quick this cabinet here. You'll notice how that it's got just a really beefy hinge, and how that cabinet actually lights up as I open it up. So it does a really nice job of lighting up. Now, this is a really well insulated Airstream, so it's going to do a great job of keeping you cool. But with those two air conditioners on a trailer, I mean, it'll freeze you out pretty easy. I want to show you some of the technology that we got integrated into this system. So this is something that you can actually get a phone app for. Now, if you'll notice here, we got all the different shade functions. We can turn on all of our lights. Really quick, we're gonna just open up some of these day shades so you can kind of see. Actually, I think what we're gonna need to do is open up our night shades as well, so you can kind of see how that works. So really nice, you can get that light in. Now, if it's a gloomy day, you do have these extra skylights just above the dinette. You've got them in the bedroom, you've got them in the bathroom. So you can just let a ton of light here. You've got a nice skylight here where you can really light this coach up if you want to. For now, let's go ahead and just drop the rest of these shades here. Night shade. Okay, well, one of the things I want to point out before we go back here is this beautiful galley. Now this is all going to be gas. You've got some sealed burners here, so you don't have to worry about picking the stove up and cleaning up underneath of it. Tons of storage with your convection microwave oven. You do have a residential Dometic. Actually, let me take it back. This is going to be a gas electric. So all you boondockers, if you just want to run off propane, this refrigerator will do both, gas or electric. You got your beautiful gooseneck faucet here. Now you do have a really nice big sink, just absolutely huge. I love that stainless steel and how it's all undermounted, so easy cleanup. You got some little additional drawers here. Now you've also got your tank levels, so if you want to check battery levels, fresh water tanks, you can see whether they're empty or not, so just pretty nice. All right, guys. Well, this does it pretty much for this area here. As Katie's panning down here, you see it does have the Bose speaker bar. And again, you do have that little white screen that drops down out of the cabinet for your projection TV. But coming into this bathroom, wow. I mean, this thing's incredible. You've got beautiful, this closet is just absolutely huge. You've got a hanging rod, you got cedar lined closets. Now coming back here, you're gonna see beautiful, I mean this is something that you would probably see in a residential home. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm gonna step out here so Katie can pan in there and just look at that that shower as you go in. Just to the left, it is absolutely huge. It is gorgeous. I love all the accent lighting that's integrated into the shower. You got your body wash, shampoo and conditioning dispensers there. Just absolutely gorgeous. Off to the right, you've got your rack for hanging towels and just a little extra shelf space there for knickknacks. Can't beat it, guys. It really is a very special trailer. This is not your normal trailer. This is extremely high end. And it gives you a lot of creature comforts, home away from home. So anyway, guys, that does it for our tour for this Airstream today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name is Lance. I'm here at Transwest in Belton, Missouri. And if you want to see the latest and greatest inventory, just go to transwestrv.com. Now it's important that you guys get the RV out at the end of that. So transwestrv.com. My phone number is 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.